friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone's doing super good. So I'm your host Rituka, and this channel, The Vegan Flower Child, is all about making vegan recipes, exploring vegan food in cafes and restaurants, and exploring a lot of vegan products in the market. And today, besides being a recipe video, we're going to be exploring some vegan mock meat dishes in a vegan eatery known as Good Do. And the recipe that we're going to be making today is a vegan, refined sugar-free gajar ka halwa. So let's get started with that first. So first, in a pan, I'm going to add a tablespoon of vegan ghee, or you can use oil as well. In case you wish to use vegan ghee, I shall put the link in the description as to where you can buy it from. And when this warms up a little, we can add a few chopped pistachios, cashews and almonds and let them roast for a bit. We can keep stirring them. And once they slightly change color, we can further add 200 grams of grated carrot and give it a good mix. We can saute this for a couple more minutes. So after stirring it for a couple of minutes, we can then add 250 ml of plant-based milk. Here I'm using a blend of cashew and coconut milk. You can also use almond milk, both work just fine. So to this I'm going to add a teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix it all up again. Now once the milk comes to a boil, we can reduce the heat to low and let it cook till the milk almost dries up. So we can cover it and let it cook. So when the milk has almost dried up but still a little there, I'm gonna add stevia powder here for sweetness. You can add sweetener of choice like coconut sugar, raw sugar. In case you wish to add date paste, you can add it while you add the milk. And mix it all up again. So I'm further going to add 3 tablespoons of coconut cream to this. And let it cook further. And this is the consistency you want to reach. So our milk has dried up. And our gajar ka halwa is done. So we can further transfer it to a fancy bowl and garnish it with some chopped pistachios, almonds and cashews. Gajar ka halwa, and it's dairy and refined sugar free too. You guys have to try this recipe out. You're gonna love it. Do try it out and let me know in the comments what you think of it. And now let's head to Good Do for some amazing mock meat dishes. Let's go. I'll go for my fried crispies. I'll try your peri peri nuggets. One keema pav, one biryani. Yeah, and And give me a good patty burger. That's it, right? I ordered now.
Dessert?
Yeah, dessert I'll go for a moist chocolate bucket later. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Guys, so we have reached Good Do. This is an all mock meat cafe and they have some amazing mock meat options. Right from your vegan KFC to your vegan nuggets to vegan burgers to your vegan keema pao, vegan biryani, your vegan mock meat makhani gravy with parathas and vegan mutton curry rice to a lot more. It's simply a vegan's paradise. I am super excited to try all these dishes out and to share them with you guys. So let's see what I've got. That's the veg crispies with the dipping sauce. This is like a vegan KFC according to me. That's your vegan keema pao with some mayo. That's a Good Do patty burger. Those are the fiery nuggets. They have a plain one and a fiery one. And that's your mock meat biryani. So I'm gonna have basically a party by myself. And you guys are welcome to join me. Virtual company is precious. So I'm going to try the veg crispies, the vegan KFC with dip first. Unbelievably like vegan chicken. If you're a vegan and you've been missing KFC, this is it. I don't know how they do it. How do they make it so real? So crispy. Seasoning, it's really nice. Let me try the peri peri nuggets. They are yummy. I think all the non-vegans should come and try this place out. This is actually for them. They'll be really inspired to transition. Because this is all vegan and it's yum. You can really satiate your meaty cravings, but it's vegan. Now let's try the Good Do patty burger or gerber as they call it. This has some nice spices and seasoning inside it. I'm going to try some with the ketchup. Giving me the feel of, you know, those burgers we ate at McDonald's, but again, a better version, a healthier version, a cruelty-free version. They've really done a good job at creating the mock options for vegans. Now let's get to the Indianized dishes. So I'm going to try the keema pav now. Guys, I think this is my favorite most thing among all of it till now. I love the nuggets, I love the burger, I love the vegan KFC. But this, because probably it's Indian, it's really yum. Keema pav is something you have to try here. Time for the biryani. This is such an authentic biryani. The flavored rice will just remind you of the biryani you've had in your upbringing years. Very delicious, very flavorful, like an authentic biryani with vegan mock meat. It's also a very nice one. I love the flavoring of the rice and the mock meat. And the caramelized onions, they're giving it a complete authentic biryani touch. And now that I've tried all their, quite a few of their savory items, it's time for some dessert.
And that's their moist choco mug cake. It's nice and warm. Wow, I can really see the steam coming out.
This is all you need after that delicious meal. A warm, gooey, muddy chocolate mud cake. This is so authentic and yum. You have to have it to believe. And they serve it so hot that it really melts in your mouth. So that's an end to an amazing meal. I highly recommend this place, guys. It's known as Good Do, and they have like maybe around 6 or more outlets in Mumbai and a lot of outlets all around India. And the best part is they keep increasing their outlets in Mumbai and around India. You must find out which is the closest Good Do to you and head there. It's delicious. Their mains and their dessert, I really had an awesome meal. So I should put the address of this place in my description box so you can check it out if you like. And if you enjoyed this video as much as I did, making it and eating, please go ahead and like it, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press the notification bell icon so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And do follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. And until next time,